Hi, welcome to this video. To fix the sensitive content warning on X, formerly Twitter, you must update your account settings through a web browser because this option is not available inside the mobile app. So open a web browser like Chrome or Safari on your phone or computer, go to X and log into your account, click or tap your profile picture in the top left corner or the more button on the side menu, right? And hit settings and privacy. Sorry for that noise. Now we're gonna head over to privacy and safety, right? And select content you see, right? And check the box next to display media that may contain sensitive content, right? And basically that's it. You can tap the search settings also in that same menu and make sure high sensitive content is unchecked, right? And close your X mobile app and completely and reopen it for the changes to take effect. So consider liking this video, subscribing, really helps with the channel. Till next time.